Welcome back. Who else is tired of long A tutorial videos? I have some dead grass. I'm going to change out a solenoid on my Rainbird. I'm going to see how fast I can do it and give you a short video. As you can see, my grass is dying. I've been watering it manually. I didn't know one of my solenoids has gone out, so I'm going to change it. We've figured out I am not a hands-on dude. So let me kind of teach you what I learned. This is all power stuff. And then there's your zones. 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 8. This guy is a bad guy. This guy is going to go in its place. So let's see how fast we can go. I'm going to unplug this, but I wanted it to show you. It says station wire shorted. So we're going to get that fixed. We're going to unplug it right now. Okay, we're going to undo their bad solenoid. Take off this. Everything has been unplugged. We got the wire out. This guy is my solenoid. So I'm going to plug in and I'm going to pay attention to which guy goes where. Okay? And what we got to do is find the other end to this guy. And we're going to pull him out of here in just a second. But right now, I am going to undo the solenoid and screw this back together so I know where it's at. Okay? To tell you, this twists off. Ooh. And I just started my sprinklers. So you gotta turn your water off. Okay, we gotta take this rat's nest apart. We have to find our one, which was this guy. Should have just cut it. Okay, that guy's off. Now, that guy's loose. And we twist this off after you shut your water off. And we put the new one in its place by twisting back on. Okay, now what we'll do is get this guy tied onto right here. Got good contact at the top actually, so that works wonderfully. Cap that. Let's take the other side of this. Tie this back together. Oops. I would say put your caps back on correctly. Just for water and things like that, so it may help. Okay, we have power! Okay, I didn't pay much attention to the red and what wire went on which side. Both the wires look to be the same. They have the solid black with the white stripe, but I did kind of pay attention on which side I took it off of and which side I put it on. So there we are. We have power, and we have power water in our backyard. Again, finally. Jacob, thank you for your help in this endeavor.